Oh, Mama, that looks good. All right, we're at the auction house. This is my friend Louise. She used to babysit me. She's so sweet. And this is my Aunt Peggy. She's so sweet. This is my wonderful friend. I might as well say my aunt too, Diane, but she's too young to be my aunt.
Shoot.
And then this is my mama. She's the star of the show every day. See, I told y'all she was pretty. Did y'all see my video?
Oh, my God.
Yeah, I was every word of it. Why do you think I rocked today? Because I know it's going to look so good.
Got a pot boiling over.
You cut that off, friend.
Now, Mama is making us some cornbread. Now, what you put in here, Mama?
That's self-rising cornmeal.
Self-rising cornmeal. About 2 cups, ain't it, Mama? About 1.5 cups.
Yeah.
About 1.5
Then you
cups.
put 2 big spoons. It depends on how much you make. If you're just cooking for 2, you just use just a little bit of cornmeal and flour. But as much as I'm cooking, I've got 3 big spoonfuls of flour, and you have to put salt.
And you have to put salt. Even though it's self-rising, you have to put salt.
A little bit of salt to make it taste good. Then I put it in a frying pan, about that much grease. It has to be real runny.
This is going to be thin cornbread.
Yeah, like a piece of lace. It's like lace when you cook
Like
it.
lace. Oh, that's a good description of it. That's a real good description.
Real thin, like a piece of lace. And if you have to try 2 or 3 times to get it like you want it, make it look like lace, you have to put a little more water in it if you want it to look like lace. But it's one of the best cornbreads you will ever eat. And it's so simple to make. That's
Oh,
good.
that looks good. Let me see, Mama.
How runny it
Yeah,
is?
okay. All right.
That's good.
All right, that looks good. Y'all, this cornbread is so good. I'm telling you, it's so good. And I can't replicate it. My mama is the best. And then she just throws a little bit in there to see if it's hot enough. And I think it's quite. Does it need to be a little bit hotter?
Yeah. Yeah, it's supposed to lace up, but, you know.
Yeah. Ooh, this is chicken and pastry, y'all. My mama cooked.
That's good too. Don't
It does. And my mama's homemade corn and butter beans. Oh my gosh, y'all. That's so good. Look at that.
Fresh corn and butter beans.
I'm just saying that right there is the star of the show. I'm just telling you. Put a lot of paper towels on there.
Hello, hold on. Here, Ruth.
Where you at?
She makes this good.
I know, but where's that at? You just left, hadn't you? You'll be there in 45 minutes, I know. It's all right.
We'll wait for you, Donna. We ain't gonna wait for her.
Hey, Louise filled a big pan up with paper
You can take that
towels.
in.
All right. Ooh, look at that. Ooh, y'all, this is real food. Made by the best cook that I've ever seen. This is a treat, y'all. Mama, you look good on too. You do too.
I want you to show Louise.
Okay, I will.
The baby. Eat.
Oh, yeah, you got to see my grandbaby. You ain't never seen those. I will. I'll get you fixed up. I just love this though. I'm having so much fun. Louise is holding the plate for Mama because Louise is going to eat it all before it gets to the table.
You can't told me I couldn't.
cornbread ain't it?
I said, we've had 5 people that died in 1 year.
Scraps too, that's what it is.
And my cousin, he died yesterday. But 5 people in 1 year, that's a lot of people.
Mama, that smells so good. See how quick that goes? That is so fast.
It's real hot right there, see?
She told me I can't do anything.
You got scraps.
They're
here.
fighting over it.
Scraps.
I want to taste that.
You can
Well,
have it
it's
too.
too hot, and we were told you couldn't, so you can't.
Y'all can have it.
They're going to fight over it, y'all.
Oh, you look better, darling. Can I go where you come out of?
Oh, there's my beautiful sister Margie.
You look so much better. Is that a wig you got on?
No, that's her hair, ain't
That's
it?
so different, ain't it?
All right, Mama, I've already put some more in here.
Look at me, sweetie. I got to take a picture so I can see your children.
Margie do look a lot better.
I know.
You look real pretty, Margie.
Can I go to your
What
house?
they trying to say? You look
Because I
all
come over
better.
here before and I was ugly. Can I go where you just left and spin around?
Yeah, come on, I'll take you. I'll put some makeup on you.
I doubt if I look that much better.
I'll fix your
We
hair.
all got tired of
And that door, Mama, it'll be cool.
No, we don't want no flies in here. That
Oh, okay.
There ain't no screen.
Yeah, but it still flies come in here like they, that door.
Well, we're gonna have anyway.
We're gonna have to turn the air conditioner on.
It's better. I got some more deviled eggs. I was going to the bottom on it.
Oh, I got a lot.
You know, just coming up. Did y'all hear that loud truck? That's
No.
He had to. We heard a loud one when Robbie's ain't that loud though.
I hadn't seen Robbie in 15 years. I was trying to figure out who he was.
Henry's is so loud.
Is he here?
Yeah, he's
Oh,
here.
well, good.
I said, are you Robbie?
At first I thought when Robbie come up.
Margie, come over here and meet my YouTube family.
Okay.
This is my really beautiful youngest sister, Margie.
Sorry, Mama.
And she's going to eat the cornbread. We're going to all eat the cornbread before Mama can get it out of
No,
the
I'm
pot.
saving me some for my chicken and pastry because you can't eat chicken and pastry without cornbread.
That's good.
But last year she didn't make none and I was mad. So I know this is for me.
I'm going to say mine for college.
She said, all this food and you want some cornbread?
Louise is saving hers
yeah.
for college.
I'll say mine for college.
We gotta dip it in the,
Louise, give me another roll of
we need a roll of paper
paper
towels.
towels.
And Mama just lays paper towels right over the top of this, and then
Make
she makes
layers.
some more cornbread. And you think this is a lot of cornbread? This ain't a lot
It
of
ain't.
cornbread. It's gonna be gone.
I made 7 layers and we had fish one night and it was all gone.
In no time, huh?
There was not one piece left.
That's enough.
And it
Margie.
cooks up so fast.
That's good. That's real good. You can sit it down.
Oh, so
This bag. Where's Joey gonna put that?
Oh, there's my baby. That's my son. Don't worry.
Move that stuff right there.
What you need to do?
Move all that stuff right there, Louise. Yeah, all that stuff. Maybe put it right there. There. But Connie's got the dressing coming.
Well, I got a place for it. I just made one.
Got to get in that microwave and call it.
My son makes my favorite mac and cheese.
I made it. I tried to make sure I made it right today. I took my time and didn't rush it.
Now, are you the one that's got a new house?
Yeah.
It's the other girl.
He's got a new house, but it's
Yeah.
across the street from me.
Oh, really?
Yeah.
It's behind the blue barn.
I'm kidding.
Yeah.
They can't get away. He can't get away from
They don't
me.
need to.
That's right. Oh, there's my
Mrs.
nephew.
Blizzard.
My nephew Henry. Look, oh, he's gonna steal the cornbread.
If you don't think I won't run away with it,
I know you will. I'm videotaping Mama making this cornbread. I'm trying to tell people, how good is this cornbread, Henry?
it's fantastic. I mean, I could eat myself sick on it, to be honest with you.
You know what, Henry? That's a good title. I can eat myself sick of this. That's a great title.
Hey, give me another spoonful.
Henry wants another spoonful. How do you like living on your own, Henry?
I like it.
Do you? Oh, he said that fast. He just
I
moved
like
out
it.
on his own.
Y'all get
Where you
it.
want me to put it?
I'm gonna tell
I'm gonna
Margie.
put it later.
Okay, now Mama's putting a little more grease in here because she's about done with it. Are you about done with it, Mama?
No, not fine.
She had to put some more grease in it. Look, they're already eating the cornbread. That's the way
I'm
it
already
is.
doing
Right?
it.
Hey, son, how are you doing?
Doing good there?
Ah!
Bottom. Hey, get the bottom.
You get it off
It's
the
so
bottom.
hot.
That was a mistake. Grandma, you gonna have to keep making more of it. We're gonna eat it all.
I know.
No,
I
we ain't.
One
know.
piece, that's it, guys.
I got it. I got my one piece.
Oh, there's my sister. This is my other sister, Connie. She's the one that I said was the good cook on my YouTube channel this morning.
It is hot. Good gracious.
Here, let burn that. Did it burn that table?
She makes the dressing.
The pan.
I make the turkey, she makes the dressing.
Yeah, well, I don't know how to do this one. I need to
Oh,
uncover.
you always have good
You ain't gonna give me a hug, you walk in.
Well, hold on. I'm supposed to see what it's
That is. Wait.
Lord, I just got it all over the. It was tilted in the back. I reckon.
It's still gonna
I
be-
know it's
still
got the
still
same
gonna be
thing
so
in it.
good.
It's just
It's just a
it's
little
so
messy.
thick. I had to cook it for 2 hours. I got my hair cut as you
It
can.
looks really good. It looks really good.
And I got my nails done.
Oh, they look good too.
I got my eyelashes done. I ain't got no makeup on except just a touch of eyeshadow and some lip gloss. All I did is I got my
Well, you
eyelashes
look real
done.
pretty.
Well,
Here, so get off the bottom, kid. Get off the bottom. He already knows about this, Jane.
I tell you, the cornbread, see, it's going to be gone before. Ain't Peggy, you're going to be on YouTube.
I've only done 2. You did.
Only done 2.
I did 1 and another one. You did do 1.
Oh, so you done 2.
I did another one.
Oh, okay.
I did 2. I did another one.
These are 2 of my favorite people in the whole world right
Oh,
here.
that's so sweet.
Honey,
You're
what
my
kind of
favorite
pants
too.
do you got?
Just what female right here.
You're already
Yeah,
on
I did nice.
YouTube.
Mom.
live.
No, I'm not editing you. I ain't editing that.
I got
I
these something to clean all this stuff.
love my Louise over there. I
They're in
love
their
my
40s and
mama.
they're wearing that gently youngest bra.
Anyway, let me tell you
It
what
was
happened
awful.
to me. I had a doctor's appointment at 3 o'clock yesterday, and I'm gonna go get my eyelashes done. I got my hair cut
How
today.
you do your eyelashes? I ain't got nobody doing eyelashes.
They glue them on.
Go to the salon and
I don't do
have
them.
them done. Same place they do my nails. So I said, the heck with that stuff. I'm gonna go take care of me. So I get home. About 9 o'clock.
You'd have to face me
I
and
start-
Mama
I
if you
take
didn't.
the
We go over there
I
with
take
me,
the
Mama.
chicken out of the refrigerator and I put it in there to thaw out. It was still frozen. And it was 9 o'clock at night.
You need an
My
Instapot.
chicken.
Oh my gosh, you need an
So
Instapot.
I put it in some water and
Oh,
I
Frannie,
cut
you
it
don't
up
know.
while it was frozen. And you know that was hard. Okay, I got the eggs boiled. Then all of a sudden I put all that, the eggs, I peeled the eggs, put it in my grinder, my garlic disposal. And the pipes under my sink bust at 2 o'clock in the morning while I'm in there trying to whip up this
Oh
dress.
my goodness.
And there's my
I said,
daughter-in-law.
oh my
She is going to be having a baby in just a few weeks. My sweet little Aspen.
Hey, Jerry.
Congratulations.
Glad you're here.
And she also has a YouTube channel, so you might want to check her out.
And I was just looking, me and her got the same shirt on.
You do? Y'all are twins. I need a picture. Y'all need to get in there. Is your mama coming too? It is hot in here.
We drive an hour and a
I
half
wish
to
y'all
get here.
cut that air
It's so good
conditioner.
in there.
Well, we're going to hold out this pan one more time. And hopefully this won't be eaten.
And I just said,
It's really good.
everything.
So we can eat all the other food. I'm going to show you the other food that we got.
They're out there in the seats outdoors.
Say hey to Christy and your...
Hey, Christy, tell her how much you love the
I love my
bracelet.
necklace. I'm gonna do a special.
You ought to read that letter. I know that letter's sweet.
I'm going to. I'm going to. Well, I'm gonna sign off. Mama's got that cornbread. It will be here cooking it because it's gonna all be gone. She probably cooked 100 pieces of it. This is the auction house. This is my daddy's signs. Where my daddy makes whirligigs. There's an old tricycle, I should say. Sitting on the porch. This is my granddaddy's country store. My daddy makes whirligigs. This used to be called Lucky Mule Auction. family pictures, old signs my daddy's collected. This is Grandma's kitchen. This is the warmest, most coziest place in the whole world. My mama's shelling pecans.
You just get your toothpick, stick in there like it's supposed to, so it comes right out. And you get the little things out in it. See, like that? I'm not gonna use that one. But you know, if you had them things in there, it comes right out.
What was that for?
With a toothpick. That's all you need is a toothpick.
Got Jesus up there. Need him everywhere. And these old clowns are all memories.
Happy Thanksgiving.
Happy Thanksgiving. I hope everybody has a great day.
We are going to say goodbye.
Goodbye, Frannie. Goodbye, YouTubers. We love Frannie.
Oh, that's so sweet.